Hello everyone, my name is Chan Kwasniak. Welcome to NewTube. In today's topic, we are going to talk about how to learn English language faster. Before we proceed, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel because subscribing to this channel, it will help me to create more video like this one. So please do not forget to share and comment. In this topic, how to learn English faster, I prepare some of the steps that you can consider learning. So if you follow this step I'm about to share with you, I'm sure that you can improve your English speaking skill. Number one way to learn English faster is surround yourself with English speaker. Like you need to watch movies, listening to podcasts, and read books or articles in English. This will allow you to learn English faster. You have to immerse yourself in English. You need to surround yourself with people that speak English. That way, it will help you to learn English faster. Number two, you have to practice speaking daily. Engage in conversation with native speaker or language partners. Use language exchange applications like HelloTalk or Tandem. You need to practice speaking to yourself by narrating your daily or your day or your thoughts in English. This way it will allow you to speak English faster. Number three, use language learning application because there are many applications out there. You need to download those applications like Duolingo, like Babbel, or Rosetta Stone or for structural lessons. Set aside time each day to complete a lesson or two. You need to have a time where you can read a lesson every day. You need to have more room to learn English. Number four, you have to focus on common vocabulary. There are common vocabulary that you can focus on. For instance, there are those words which are already being used, which people are using right now. Some words and phrases. This can help you to improve your English speaking skill. Start by learning the most commonly used words and phrases. Also here, number five, you have to learn through real life situation. What do I mean by real life situation? Real life situation. This is where you can practice English in everyday situation like ordering a food if you go to the restaurant, shopping, or asking for direction. This is easy way, right? So if you follow this real life situation where you can communicate with people, it will help you improve your English speaking skill faster. You need to engage in role-playing exercise to simulate common interaction. So you got to get out there and talk to people. Number six, you need to set a clear goal. You need to have a goal. Define those specific goals for your learning, such as mastering a set number of words each week or being able to hold a conversation by a certain date. Let's say you need to have a goal. You don't have to simply, come out without having a goal. You need to have a goal. When you set that goal, it will help you to achieve what you are looking for. Track your progress. Track your progress and celebrate milestone. Let's say if you complete this step today, celebrate it, be happy, do more, okay, because you want to learn faster in speaking English. Number seven, join an English course. You need to enroll yourself in an online English course that suits your level and learning style. Many courses offer free trial or certificate upon completion. You need to join an English course so that you can speak fluent English or you can speak faster when you want to learn English. Number eight, this is step you need to focus on, like stay consistent. Dedicate a specific time a day to practice English. You need to be consistent. Every day you need to have a time to practice English. If it is just 15 to 30 minutes, that will be good. Give 30 minutes, 40, 1 hour is speaking the English. You need to have notebooks or have some articles and then read them. In reading or being consistent, it will allow you to speak English more better. Consistency is key to making fast progress. If you are consistent, you will progress faster than you are not expecting. Number 9, you need to get feedback. Record yourself speaking and listen to the playback to identify area of improvement or some of the area that need to be improved. Record yourself speaking and listening to the playback to identify area for improvement. Seek feedback from native speakers or teacher to refine your skill. Those that can tell you that this is wrong, this is right, you need them to give you feedback. You have to contact them, talk to them, let them hear or listen to your message. So they will correct you so that you cannot make a mistake. Number 10, you need to stay motivated. Anybody that wants to learn something new, that person needs motivation. With that motivation in mind, I'm telling you, you can never progress, or you will never progress. You need motivation. Keep yourself motivated. Keep yourself motivated by setting reward for achieving your goals. You need to motivate yourself. Surround yourself with positive reinforcement and reminder of why you want to learn English. That way, it will help you to learn English more faster.